Want quick access to your favorite features? Customizing the control center is the way to go. Hi, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to manage the control center on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the control center settings. Here, you have two sections, Included Controls and More Controls. In the Included Controls section, you will see a list of features currently in your control center. To remove any feature, tap the red minus button next to it and tap on the Remove option. On the other hand, in the More Controls section, you can add new features to your control center. Simply tap the green plus button next to any feature you want to add. And this is how you can manage the control center on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.